Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the story The Wooden Bowl. This is a very inspirational story. This story has a deep message. The message is how should we behave with others? How should we behave with our family, friends, and to all human beings? This is the story of an old man named Kurt who lives with his son Manfred, daughter in law Thekla, and grandson Wilhelm. Kurt was a carpenter in his younger days, but now he is old. Now his son Manfred is a famous carpenter and he used to do some carving from time to time. Manfred's wife Thekla is a housewife. Manfred's son Wilhelm is very close to his grandfather. He loves his grandfather so much. Kurt is now an old man. His hands are shaky. Most of the time, he drops things, breaks things. That is why Manfred and Thekla used to get annoyed with him. They do not like him. They do not let him sit at the dining table with them. They used to give food to him in a cheap wooden bowl which they brought from the market so that if Kurt drops it, it would not break. All this is watched by their son Wilhelm. This is the story of a day when Manfred and Thekla has finished their work. They prepared their meal and they were searching for Wilhelm to feed him. But they could not find Wilhelm anywhere in the house. They searched outside, but there also they could not find Wilhelm. They searched every nook and corner, but Wilhelm was nowhere. Lastly, they went to the workshop. There they found that Wilhelm was working on something. When they watched from near, they saw that Wilhelm was making a wooden bowl. When they asked Wilhelm why was he making this wooden bowl, Wilhelm answered very softly that Mom, I am preparing for your older days. I am making two wooden bowls for you and my father so that I may feed you in the same kind of wooden bowl that you are feeding my grandfather. Now Manfred and Thekla realized their mistakes. They realized that how badly they behaved with their father. They promised their son that they would not behave badly with his grandfather anymore. They promised to themselves as well that they would behave in a proper way to all the human beings. So students, this is our lesson for today, that we should help the older ones, the older people. We should not get annoyed by the clumsy activities of them. And to all human beings, our behavior must be in the same way that we want for ourselves. We should behave with others in the same way we want for ourselves. So students, please go through the lesson and try to learn the lesson, learn the message this story gives. Thank you.